how to switch to a personal account on Instagram in your iPhone. Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you the easiest way to switch to a personal account on Instagram in your iPhone. I do recommend watching the video to the end so you get all the steps you need in this process. I also recommend to subscribe to this channel in case there should be any updates on this topic. The first thing you want to do is to open your Instagram app and go to your profile. And then you want to click the three stripes up in the right corner. And then you go to Settings. And then you go to Account. And under Account you scroll all the way down to where it says Switch Account Type, and then press that. And here you will have the option of switching to a personal account. And now you click this, and this is basically how you switch to a personal account on Instagram in your iPhone. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I will try my very best to answer. If this tutorial worked for you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.